Okay, in this question you're going to learn how to read data accurately, and you can work out what calculations you need to find the answer. And this is a really good question. I love this. This graph shows the age of players at a football club. So again, have a good look at your graph. Along the bottom axis here, you've got age in years. So 16 to 20, 21 to 25, so they group the information under ages. 26 to 30, 31 to 35, 36 to 40, and 41 to 45. Along your y-axis, you've got the number of players, and notice that the intervals are quite tricky. They're not going up in ones, they're going up in twos. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So those midpoints there are quite crucial for this question, and you'll see why now. How many players are aged 30 or younger? So if they're younger, they're going to be less than 30. So I'm going to be going this way, looking at this information. How many players are aged 30 or younger? This is the 26 to 30 age group, and there are 12 of them. Notice I'm using my graph to put information on so I can work my answer out. There's nothing wrong with that. 21 to 25-year-olds, there are 8. All straightforward at the minute. Now it gets a little bit tricky. 16 to 20 age range, the bar comes between two values, the value of 8 and 6. So I'm just going to draw a line across there. 6, 7, 8. We've worked that interval out. Sorry about my handwriting. So we know that there are 7 in that age group. So if I'm going to work out how many players are aged 30 or younger, which means in this direction, the younger ones, the older ones come here, younger ones here, I've got 12 in this bar, 8 in this category, 7 in this. So just to make sure I do it right, 12 add 8, add 7. 12 add 8 is 20, add 7 is 27. Bit of easy mental calculation. I'm going to put 27 there. Just double check it in my head. Yeah, I'm absolutely sure it's 27. Now, this is quite interesting because they ask you to actually add to the graph. A player aged 36 and a player aged 39 join the club. What they're trying to find out here is whether you know where these age groups belong. So one aged 36, I wonder where the 36-year-old belongs. I think he belongs here in the 36 to 40. Add this information to the graph. So if I add one player to this graph, again it's looking at the width of the interval, the values of the interval. It's going to take it from 4 up to 5. So I'm just going to take that bar up, added that information, and one aged 39. Oh, so where will the 39-year-old be? 36 to 40, 41 to 45. The 39-year-old will be here as well. So I'm going to add another value of 1 there, and then I might give that some chevrons just to show I know what I'm doing, and should have accurately drawn it on that line. It's quite difficult with these pens. So 2 marks there. Your ability to interpret a graph and use the right calculations once you've been asked the question.